Back here in Studio 23 as Sheila Pineda drills it home. And this one over-received by Ateneo, giving Pineda another opportunity. You see that leap of Pineda? That's a frog leap. They call that a frog leap.
That's right. She knew that it was going to be over their side, so she went for that frog leap, as you said.
Speaking of leaps.
And the elevator. Now in for Ateneo. Coach Roger trying to get the combination that will work in this game.
Oh.
Another chance.
De Jesus. Taken by Zapanta. Kinlog this time. Nice to power tip it home. Oh, inagaw ni Pineda.
Guevara was there, but alam mo, dapat iniwan niya na kay Pineda yun because Pineda was, she has a better position and it was an offensive touch. So,
ayaw magbigay ng free ball eh, no? Di ba?
Oo, bawal.
Ayaw mag-free ball eh.
Talagang full arsenal today.
Ferrer. Hervasio puts a little something behind that one this time. Creeping back into this match. 7 serving 8. Or 7 will be serving 8. Jesus, of course, came to fame last year. Hinugot ni Coach Roger. And
with their vertical leap.
Yes. Proved to be a reliable spark off the bench when things get a little sluggish for them. They have tied the game now at 8. You're watching Adamson and Ateneo, the final game of the first round of eliminations here, the women's division of the 74th season of the UAP volleyball competition. Boom Gonzalez, Mosey Rambella, of course, Bea Coronel and Victor Lopez still with us, and Drek Abet Ramos at the helm of this live and exclusive coverage, and Kinlog finding a spot.
And again, the blockers of Ateneo, only one, the other one was late. So Kinlog, easy time for her to take that point.
Another misreceived ball. Easy over for Adamson. Let's see what they do. Lazaro wise to the Makatuno trick. Oh.
Oh, this was a little bit overset for Z. Hervasio. So take a look at it once again. But Z made her approach. So hindi niya na-timingan yung bola where it's going to.
A Cainta native. Yeah. Kinlog. Rechenho is there. Couple of attacks coming from her. Left-handed hit by Pineda. Cainglet is back also in the front. Zapanta wanted to take it. Cainglet, amidst the confusion. Regalo na naman.
Kinlog with the one-handed save.
Oh, look at that.
Make that twice for Kinlog.
Reactionary dig for Kinlog. Cainglet. Pineda this time sweeping the floor. Ferrer. Combination play. And Hervasio puts it away. Longest rally so far of the match.
Alam mo, you've got to have that patience when you are responding to this floor defense of Adamson. I think nagiging impatient to Ateneo eh. That's why, but at least not in that last point, but nagiging impatient sila because the balls are all going back.
Hervasio went to the jump serve. Pineda loads it up, sent back. Pineda again, tries. Ferrer, Cainglet. Lazaro was there. Things are heating up here in the second set now as action and the quality of volleyball has picked up.
And again, Cainglet victimizing Guevara using her. It's actually Makatuno that she used this time for that off-the-block hit. This is what Ateneo should do. They should be patient and answer back the defense and the offense of Adamson.
Vasquez handling that serve perfectly. You know, we've got great libellos also today. Vasquez and Lazaro. Vasquez, the second best digger, and Lazaro, the third best digger of the tournament so far. Vasquez is the #1 receiver of the tournament so far. She made a mistake.
Letting that ball go.
But-
Gervaso, perfect spot.
Bullet serve working for the former swimmer. Gervaso misjudged by Vasquez. The lead now is 2, the biggest lead. And look at her reaction. Great serve, great dig. Pineda off speed. Ferrer chasing that one. Cainglet off speed. Guevara. Tinlod sets up Pineda. Sends it over. Chance for Ateneo here. They go to Gretchen.
And that goes out.
Gretchen has been productive here.
That's right. And she actually changed the pace of Ateneo. Now it's a faster Ateneo squad.
Excellent
You're
point,
looking at.
Rosie. That is just spot on your observation for Ateneo.
Kalma lang.
Paluin mo na si Son.
Ha?
Huwag madepensahan
Okay.
niya na madepensahan.
Oh.
Block niya kung ma-block.
Kasi bumibilis kayo eh.
Ha?
Nawawala yung
Kahit
ano eh.
walang receive.
Dahan-dahan lang.
Walang receive. Set
Ah,
sa
okay.
open, nakakapatay ka dyan.
Oh. Oh, isa-isahin nyo lang. Isa-isahin nyo lang. Sabi mo yan. Huwag nyo palayuin. Ha? Isa-isa lang. Isa-isa lang. Kalma lang. Kalma lang. Nagdudumali eh. Huwag kayong sumabay. Huwag kayong sumabay.
If you just joined us, Ateneo losing the first set, 25-22. This is the biggest lead for Ateneo here in the
3 points
second
up
set.
for the Lady
And I go
Eagles.
back to
Still at
your
the service
observation
zone, number 6.
and your opinion, actually, when I asked you,
Gervaso.
what does Gretchen Hall bring to this team now that she comes back sidelined earlier for the ankle injury 2 nights ago? And yes, action has picked up, the pace has picked up, and this is what Ateneo likes.
That's right. That's their game.
Oh, look at that. This time Vasquez could not handle the serve.
Z is very viral. Now they're back to their game. Z is back to her jump serve and doing it. How many aces now? 2, 3 aces for
Yes.
Z.
And when she does the jump serve, it's only a sign that she's more confident about it.
Yes, true.
Parang hindi nag-iingat.
Kasi mas may hesitation pa siya from yung ano
Tama.
lang yung regular serve.
Blocking has been also better
Yes.
with Gretchen Ho in there. Oh, and Cainglet finding a donut hole.
Smartly off speed coming from Cainglet on this last play.
Well, we did say, Mosey, that Ateneo started to get a little bit of rhythm towards the end of the first set. And it looks like with the entry of first De Jesus and then Gretchen Ho, confidence level has skyrocketed. And it's bound to happen. It's bound to happen. We'll see Gervaso's jump serve.
From the throw alone, mababa yan. Sabi niya, mababa na yung pagkatapon niya. So she was just running after
Okay, Guevara.
that ball.
For the Lady Falcons.
Guevara now serving 11, serving 15. Ferrer underhand. Great angle by Cainglet and a great dig by Pineda. Sends it
Again,
over.
Pineda from defense to offense.
All over the place, isn't she?
Cross court.
16-11, we get to the technical timeout, but this time, for the first time, Ateneo is ahead.